Let's make a Black Cuban #1. Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we're going to make a Black Cuban #1. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. I call this drink Black Cuban #1 because it is based very closely on the Black Russian cocktail. So close, in fact, that all we did was swap out the vodka for a white rum, and thereby making it better. However, there is another cocktail called the Black Cuban, and that's a little bit more complicated, and I call that one a Black Cuban #2. Nobody really knows who decided to swap out the vodka for a white rum, and thereby making the drink better, but we do know a little bit about the Black Russian. It was created in 1949 by Gustav Tops at the Metropole Hotel in Brussels, Belgium. And he created this drink for Pearl Mesta, who was the US ambassador to Luxembourg. How they knew each other and why they created it for him, who knows? We don't really know, but that's the history of the Black Russian for you. Obviously, the Black Cuban came sometime after that. A note on the rum. Since this drink is based on a vodka-based drink, it makes sense to use a white rum. I will be using Plantaray 3-Star. I'm not convinced this is the best rum for this drink. So if you find another one that works really, really well in here, let me know what it is. We are going to make this drink into the glass, and I'm using an old-fashioned glass. I'm going to add some ice. And then I'm going to add 2 ounces of my white rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. I almost said 36 for some reason. Then 1 ounce, 30 milliliters of coffee liqueur. Kahua is very traditional. I'm using this Loon Liquors coffee liqueur from Minnesota Distillery. I like using local and craft when I can. So 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. Give it a quick stir. And garnish. There are optional garnishes. Some recipes will call for a lemon wheel or a lemon wedge. Some will call for a cherry. Some will call for both. Today I'm just going to use a cherry. And I'm going to drop that right in there. And I'm not going to drink much of this because I'm allergic to coffee, but there you have it. A Black Cuban #1. Drink with good spirits. Yeah, that's coffee. Question of the day. What is your favorite vodka drink that is improved by using a white rum instead? I mean, besides all of them, what's your favorite one? Let me know in the comments down below. Note there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. If you want a t-shirt, you can have a t-shirt. Contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. While you're at that social media link, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.